Alright guys, here's an unboxing of the Berhinger Wing. New console for the bar sound. Let's see here. Oh yeah. So the first thing we see is the console in its full pride and glory. Let's see if we can't get this out of here. Front, 48 channel, 28 bus. The sides, the back. Manual. We hear you. Power cord. Here's how it's packaged. Kind of heavy. Solid metal construction. Oh yeah. These packets. Put these packets in your gear in the cases. Keep them dry. Don't just throw them away. So that's it. Gonna plug it in. See how she works. Wow, it feels solid as a rock. Thanks. I'm gonna pause it. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on here, but I wanted to show you that this yellow tag on the back of there is for all you guys. It's warning you, don't use Ethercon. I mean, don't use a regular Ethernet cable like a Cat 5 or Cat 6. When you plug in, you'll blow it out. The AAS50, you'll blow it out. You want to use Ethercon. Alright, we're going to turn it on for the first time here. Take the plastic off. Oh, the power strip isn't on. Wing personal mixing console. There you go. Boots up fast.